Hello, my name is Fatmata Pintaparim. I am 10th Ocean Coder Ambassador from Guinea. I am currently a student. My hobby are learning technology and coding. 10th Ocean Coder help my improve my digital skill and learning programming and build my future in technology. Et really liquid digitally blueprint webinar. My target job is to become a full stack developer. I participating in this hackathon to learning improve my skill. Thank you, Pega, for this opportunity.